Good morning, Namaskar. This is the first monetary policy statement of the new financial year 2023-24. The Monetary Policy Committee decided unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% in this meeting of the MPC, with readiness to act should the situation so warrant. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is SDF rate, will remain unchanged at 6.25%, and the marginal standing facility, that is the MSF rate, and the bank rate at 6.75%. The MPC also decided by a majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns with the target while supporting growth. Let me emphasize that the decision to pause on the repo rate is for this meeting only. Economic activity remains resilient and real GDP growth is expected to have been 7% in 22-23. We have increased the policy repo rate cumulatively by 250 basis points in the last 11 months starting May 22. This was preceded by introduction of the standing deposit facility, that is the SDF, at a rate 40 basis points higher than the fixed rate reverse repo. Thus, the effective rate hike since April last year has been 290 basis points, 290 basis points. These increases have been fully transmitted to the overnight weighted average call money rate, that is WACR, the operating target of monetary policy, which has gone up from daily average of 3.32% in March 22 to 6.52% in March 2023. Non-food bank credit rose by 15.4% year on year as on March 24, 2023. The real GDP growth for 2023-24 is projected at 6.5%, with Q1 at 7.8%, Q2 at 6.2%, Q3 at 6.1%, and Q4 at 5.9%. Inflation is projected to moderate to 5.2% for 23-24. Inward gross remittances into India touched an all-time high of $107.5 billion during the calendar year 22. Our job is not yet finished, and the war against inflation has to continue until we see a durable decline in inflation closer to the target. We stand ready to act appropriately and in time. We are confident that we are on the right track to bring down inflation to the target rate over the medium term. As we proceed towards this objective, I recall the wise counsel of Kautilya 2000 years ago, and he said, and his statement was as follows: be not slack before the job is finished. Be not slack before the whole job is finished.